Here we are. A nice little church there. We're at Caister-on-Sea. And there's the Lidl. Nice little place over there, which I'm guessing, well, it's a club spa, but I think it's hotel and restaurant over there. So it's just a little village, basically. And just saying hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hiya.
Mum, say hello. Oh, let me just lock the car door because we're going into Lidl. I won't show you around because it's busy, as you can tell. So yeah, little village just before Yarmouth, in between Yarmouth and Hemsby. So there's a Lidl there if you need anything. So we'll catch you later and show you what we got. Here we go, loads of shopping. They've already put some of it away. We've got some freezer bits there. Burgers and that. Have you put out in the fridge yet?
No, not yet.
No.
Just a little.
But we've got a chicken for tonight, or whenever we put it on. Lovely bit of steak here, look. Look at that.
That can stay in there.
They look nice, don't they? Looking forward to them. Got some cuppa, potato salad, some bits of what kids love them.
What?
And then some bakery bits, because we went to Lidl, there's loads of stuff in there I haven't had for years.
We're leaving them out.
Yeah. And mushrooms, we've got some of this as well. I haven't tried this. If it focuses. Looking forward to trying some of that as well. It's like it's apricot jam pretty much. Got this, I haven't had this stuff for years. Honey and mustard sauce, that's lovely with chicken, so I bought some of that for home.
Yeah, tell them who used to make it for you.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Had that when I was basically about 15, 16 years old.
Apple pie, throw it.
So we've got some salad, we're doing some jacket potatoes as well. These you've got to try. They're like basically Pringles, but they're chocolate with orange flavouring, so we've got one of them. Tina's got a mint one.
Just wait. It's just an apple pie.
There's the mint ones there.
Don't need to go into it.
Lovely. Some Cumberland sausage. Some hot crust buns. And some rolls for obviously for our egg and bacon. Are we having some egg and bacon today?
Yeah, I'll sort them out in a minute.
Mum got some Coke, Diet Coke. Butter. So yeah. Oh, and almost forgot, we've got potatoes in now. And some lovely parsnips. Look at these. Size of them.
Hello.
Get them from Aldi. They're tiny. They're massive.
Hello.
Oh yeah. You should see the weather today as well. It's a scorcher. It's about 17, 18 degree. Let me give you a quick glimpse of that. So while these are packing away. Look, there's not a cloud in the sky hardly. Such a beautiful day. Hello.
Hello.
So yeah, that's it then. Well, try and squeeze it in. Beautiful. You're going to show us your bottle? Give me that. Show them this. You can get these on Temu. Where do you get this from, bud? This big bottle of Mum's? Asda.
I get that chicken in.
Size of that compared to me heads. It's massive. That's for Mum. Tina got that for Mum. I've been after something like that, but it's a bit too big. So yeah, so we've got roast dinner tonight, so I have to show you that. Obviously, well, it's not till November though, but yeah. So we've got some nice meals. I'm trying to eat more healthier as well, and more red meat because of me B12 and iron and that's low. So I'll try and eat more red meat now. So that's why we got the steak. We'll show you the chicken and that. Well, we've only got the frozen roast potatoes, haven't we? But these ones are not the Aunt Betty's, is it? These are like Lidl's own ones, so be another test, see how nice they come out.
Coca-Cola, 49p.
Yeah, I know. Well, we've never shopped in Lidl before, so a few extra bits.
Chicken's not going in because there's air in the bag.
Tina's stressing because she can't get the chicken in the fridge.
We'll have to put a hole in it.
And then she might be able to get it in. Mum's struggling with a bottle. Everybody's getting stressed. Can you hear them?
I miss on my phone.
Yeah, technology over there.
And me.
Be doing so. Oh, a bacon and egg in a bit. Well, whatever time. What time is it now? We are on 12:30 already. Wow. So, yeah, we might as well get back to you in a bit. Ta-da. Right. Back in the caravan.
Don't face it this way.
No one wants to see that. Oh, dear. Anyway, yeah, nice little walk. First half, but, you know what, it's bigger than you think here. We've only done one half. We're booked up. I know, I said that. There's more caravans here. We're going to have a look at them tomorrow. Cause I think they're like lodges, them, because they've got hot tubs in. I'll show you the map. Anyway, I'm not sure if this bit's going to go on after. But I'll show you on here. On this map of where we've been.
Get the telly on.
Yeah, well, I'll add this into this part so you can see. So I'll just do it quick. Right, we've got the map. I won't be too long with this. This is your entrance. We're here. So basically, the only bit we've literally just done was all here. Because this was the complex bit where we showed you. The playground bit would just be in because there's the gym area. This is your mini golf and your swimming pool. These are the bungalows. And then these are the apartments we've just shown you. So we've only literally covered this little bit. This is how big this site really is. So tomorrow we're going to try and accomplish all this bit. Because it's just behind us. We're going to try and do most of this. And then we're going to do all this bit if we can. Because here is where your swimming pool. And didn't he say there's another soft play area there?
Yeah, it's down, it's where the swimming pool is behind.
Nah. So yeah, so that's the size of part. But what you've seen on the first part.
But after dinner, we can go back to the
No.
thing.
CBBS HD on.
So yeah, so basically we've got the rest of that to do tomorrow. So yeah, so finish this off tomorrow. So we'll catch you in a bit because the next part I'll be filming will be basically what we're doing now. Because obviously this part and the walking around I'm going to add into one video. So we'll see you in a bit. Right. Another part of the video. It's hard, this one. Huh?
Oh, we'll see you can face it to me.
Alright, but no, this part's going to be tricky because I'm basically doing 2 videos in one day, but one's for a separate day because the second part is obviously, well, not sure if that'll probably be on before this or whenever, I don't know. But I'm joining 2 days into one, which is the tour. So then this part isn't in the tour video now, it'll be in whatever video goes with what's this morning. So anyway, what do we think? Well, complex area was lovely, weren't it? Especially the nighttime entertainment area with the bar and that. That was gorgeous. I'm not sure if it's going to be before this or after. It might actually be after because I want to join them together. So I'll be doing the second part of the tour tomorrow. So I reckon it'll be next week's video. The tour will come on. But the arcades were not very good, was they?
No.
Well, actually, there's only one reason for that, isn't there? One, they could probably put a bit more in, but 2, the 2p machines. There was no prizes in them. And Andrew noticed that yesterday, and there's no prizes in them, so I don't know if they put anything in it at night or not, but I don't think they do.
I don't think they do. Every single one of them is empty.
Yeah, I know. They've got 2p's in, but no toys. So if that is true, that's a bit silly, to be honest. Because every single arcade that has 2p machines has something in them. So I would say Richardson's, I'd look into that and start putting prizes in them because that's a slight disappointment for the kids. Because why would the kids want to just put 2p's in a machine and not win nothing from it?
Have you seen Dennis the Menace now?
So I know, looks daft, doesn't it? So yeah, I'm going to leave this one here for now. Let's just say hello to everybody whilst we're here. Harvey! Harvey! Look! Andrew's there.
Hello.
Mum's over there.
Mum?
Well, there, Mum. Tina.
This were a lucky bag last night.
Was it? Don't go into detail.
I'm not, but this were a lucky bag.
Mum's making a cuppa. That's her
It's got the
prize.
right idea.
That's her prize, milk. And no, I'm saying, because after that walk, I mean, that's what I mean. On the map, it looks like we've only done a quarter of it. Did you see how much we've done? Hardly anything. It's a bigger site than you think. I mean, I'm going to look back now at the videos, so... Anyway, I'll love and leave you for now.
Have some sleep.
So, catch you later. Ta-da. Oh, look at this. It's literally falling off the burn. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Looking forward to this. Got our veg in there. Peas, carrots and sweet corn. And then, whatever you can see in there, we've got the parsnips, which are nearly done, I think. And roast potatoes. And then, once they're out, I'll just pop them in for a few minutes. So yeah, it's looking nice. Look at the chicken all in that bowl. Look. Hiya!
Kettle been boiled.
Yeah, I'll do it again in a minute. Lots of chicken. So yeah, looking forward to this. I'll just pop this kettle on for the gravy. So yes, very nice. I think you've got it all, Bob. I think you've just literally got nothing left of that. Is that nice?
Yeah, it wasn't egg, wasn't it?
No, it's eating a wing. I don't like legs or wings now. I'd rather just have the chicken as it is. So yeah, we're watching Harry Potter as well. So we're going to eat this, watch Harry Potter, have a beer later, and get fat. Innit? So we'll catch you when it's dished up and show you. Oh look, here's Mum's. Look at that. Lovely roast din-dins. Everyone else's is here, look. Oh, nummy num num num. Oh, I'm going to get hold of this. I'm just waiting for some Yorkshires. I'll be done in a minute. This shouldn't take long. So yeah, can't wait for this. See Mum's face? Kids have done that. Just waiting for Yorkshires. They're getting done now. Be done in a minute. Shall I catch ya? Oh, with a result for the end. Ta-da. Oh, what was the adverts are on? That was blooming lovely. I think the roasties and the parsnips, I should have put them in a little bit longer. But I can't, just with a gas oven, we've got electric at ours, so I don't know how to use a gas one properly, so I should have left them in probably an extra 20 minutes, I reckon. But the chicken was already cooked, so maybe if I put them in when I put the chicken in, it would have been alright, so I know for future now. When I put a chicken in, put them on for exact same time and everything will be fine.
That's not bad too.
But, no. So, did you enjoy it?
It was absolutely scrummy for my 60th birthday.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Harvey's still eating his, look.
You didn't finish.
I've nearly finished it. Andrew didn't eat all this.
Is that nice, Harvey?
But Harvey had a bigger plate than Andrew and he scoffed it. So he must be enjoying it.
Have you finished? Good boy.
So yeah, it was absolutely lovely.
So, Daddy. Right, where are you sitting now? So I'm getting that corner. Back certain. You can sit here.
Right now. So anyway, yeah, that was a lovely dinner.
It was lovely.
So we're watching this film now, so we'll get back to you all in a bit. Ta-da. Hey up everyone. Not sure if you can see me that well. Everybody's gone to sleep apart from me and Tina. Yes, yes.
Hiya.
Andrew's asleep. Mum's gone to bed. She's probably asleep now. Harvey's asleep.
I
Everyone's...
look weird with glasses on.
Do you? What do you all think? Does she look weird with glasses on? If you can see her.
Yeah, you can. Got to wear them for watching telly.
Because of her migraines. You'll know about her suffering with migraines. Ain't been too bad, have you?
No.
But no, just had a chilled out night, really. Dinner was lovely. Actually, I didn't actually say anything about dinner after. I've just been watching Harry Potter. So, yeah. Dinner was nice. Should have left the roasties and parsnips in a bit longer, but I'm not used to a gas stove. And well, stove I am, but not the oven. But tomorrow should be a good day. If the weather's nice. It should be, it's meant to be. Going for a walk around the rest of the campsite. come back, have lunch, and then go into Hemsby itself, have a proper nosy round. Come back, do dinner, because we've got steak tomorrow. And then, you're chilling.
Yeah, my bum's gone to sleep.
I know, your bum got CPs.
Yeah.
And then, basically, we're planning on going to the entertainment tomorrow night. So, was going to go tonight, but basically, watched April. Couldn't be bothered then, so we're going to go tomorrow. So I thought I'll give you a quick night now, because everyone's gone to sleep. So, Tina, what are you watching anyway?
Something about Britain's serial killers or something.
Britain's serial killers, of all things to watch. Gruesomeness. Not sure if you can hear that load of kids or someone all playing outside at this time of night. Don't even know what time it is. 10 to 11. So, we'll love and leave you now. So, we'll see you in the morning. Don't forget, do all them good things for us. Give us a like, give us a comment, give us a share. And don't forget, give us a comment. We answer all the comments. We haven't had none lately on the recent uploads we've done. We've had quite a few good videos and that come out lately, but our view count's so low compared to what it normally is. I'm not sure what the reason for that is. I'm trying to build it back up again, but it don't seem to be having none of it. I've been advertising all over, and it just seems to have took a massive dive south, basically. So I don't know what's going on there. So just do us a favour, just also check that you're still subscribed, and if you are, keep your eye out for our content as well, because we've got quite a lot of good stuff coming out. We've already got a load of good stuff come out from the festival in Weatherfields. We've also got a lot of content on this one as well, which is good. So it'd mean the world to us if you could help us. We're struggling a little bit at the minute. I'm not sure if it's YouTube causing the problem, because they take people off of YouTubers. It's like, don't know what the reason is for that. But my view count's very, very low for some reason, and that's one thing I'm a bit concerned about, is the views are really low. We were getting anywhere from 200 to 400 per video. We're barely getting 100 views per video at the minute. So please come over, check us out. It's all completely free. So anyway, good night everyone, and we'll catch you in the morning. Ta-da.